Yeah, it's your boy Hayes. We're back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. Let's prepare for a great week on next week. I feel like it's going to be a lot of money that's going to be made, especially in VIP. I mean, on the overall channel, if you're more advanced, you can catch on. You understand how every play that's called out is not going to be a winner, a banger. Being for the fact that by the time the market open up tomorrow, the play that I call out on this channel could be at the back of my list. It could be thrown away off my watch list because it still have to. I still got to wait for the market. You can say what you want to say. You can say what you expect. Ain't none of it got to happen. The market still have to produce those results, and especially if nobody's interested in the stock. And a good way to tell if people interested is the volume. If there's a lot of volume, that means a lot of attention. A lot of shares is being traded back and forth, which is attention is on that stock. So if there's no volume after I call the stock out, even though it was volume Friday, that don't mean it's going to be volume Monday. Make sense? So that's why it's important to be hands-on and VIP to where I call it out on the drop of a dime. As soon as the market open up, I scan pre-market to see what's volatile, what's in the now. And then by the time the market open up, I can call it out and drop of a dime, 10, 15 minutes, we made our money, then you can go about your day. You know what I'm saying? That's how simple I'm trying to keep it for everyone. People that work jobs, people that got other businesses and things to tend to. I'm trying to make our money the first 15, 30 minutes of the bill from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. And we either going to make a lot or we're going to lose a very strategic amount, a very little bit amount, a very small amount. Because I'm going to, the way I call it out is, hey, I'm buying here. I'm selling here for a profit. And if it don't, we always thinking defense first. If it don't make us profit, we're going to sell here for a strategic small loss of about 5%, 7%, no more than 10%. So that's how we're going to play things, guys. And that way, people able to go and do other things with the money they earn from here, able to go and start businesses, able to do whatever the hell they want to do. You get what I'm saying? So you won't be tied into the market all day long. And sometimes the market will be hot. It'll be play after play after play after play. And it probably like 4, 5 plays in one day. And you know what I'm saying? But normally, I'm only trying to hit them once or twice. You get what I'm saying? Hit them once and then probably rinse and repeat that same stock and be done. So you already know. But the key is less is more. The less you trade, the more, you know what I'm saying, the more you can make. Because you're not going to be over trading. You're not going to be forcing nothing. You're just going to be waiting for that one good opportunity. We want to sit back. Sometimes we might not trade. It's okay to take a day off. Cash is a position. That's when you want to be able to go out and enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, go enjoy some of the funds that you earn. Don't always be forced like where you gotta trade. But when you're trying to force something, that's when you end up losing money. Anyways, also I like to look at earnings, see what plays is going to report earnings next week. Don't nothing really catch my eye. There's going to be a lot of banks and stuff reporting earnings on next week, like BlackRock, Wells Fargo, institutions and things of that nature, Truist, and stuff like that. So anyways, I ain't really interested in none of those. So anyways, we're going to take a look at the stocks that I will be looking at on next week though, guys. And like I say, it's better to be safe. Like, take your time. Stay on your level. Don't try to increase position size too fast and too rapidly, because that's how you mess up. Stay on one level, on a small level, and increase size later on once you prove yourself to be profitable for an extended period of time. So the stocks I will be looking at on next week, though, number one is SNES. That's ticker symbol SENS, guys. That's ticker symbol SENS, SNES. It ended at 71 cents on Friday. A good buy-in zone for that will be around 60-ish cents, around the mid 60s and the low 60s, and kind of where it's at now. So it's very volatile if the volume is there. So between 60 and 70 cents will be an ideal buy-in zone, guys. And I say to sell this for a small loss will be around 50, 55, 56 cents if it break below that. And like I said, give or take, it ain't no exact science with this stuff. And if we could get that volume and get this bad boy pumping again, I could see this thing going over $1 easily. I could possibly sell before $1. If I got in at 60 cents, I could sell at 75, 80 cents. But depending on how it plays out, if it's very strong and it's going up very aggressively, of course I'm going to stay longer for $1. But if it's hesitating, playing games to get to those next levels, I'm going to take my damn money and go ahead about my business. So you always got to pay attention to how the market is reacting, how it's trading. Don't use all my paper towel, mama. Go ahead. That's enough now. You just wasting it with that baby. That fake baby. Come on now. But anyways, though, that's it. Don't get no more. But anyways, that'll be one that I'm watching. And the next one I'll be watching is I'll be watching ticker symbol TNXP as well. TNXP. Tonics Pharmaceuticals. So you can have that on your radar as well. So those are the main two. And I want to say SPI Energy, SPI. But these main two is about right now. It's SENX and Sonics. And Tonics Pharmaceuticals, TNXP. And for a bonus, SPI Energy. And like I say, by the time the market open tomorrow, those stocks could be thrown away. You get what I'm saying? It all depends on what the market is. If everybody's still paying attention to those stocks and all that stuff. So, like I say, you already know what to do. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, to be protected for downside potential. The third tier is the one that you want to get. It give you all access to every single play and access to be able to defend yourself if things don't go how we plan it to go. So you already know what to do, man. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show _. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.